Hey guys, welcome back again to this new video tutorial with OSP Pro. Now in this video today I'm going to explain to you something new that I know you guys may be interested on. Maybe before I go on further, I have to maybe let you guys know that thank you for liking our Facebook page, thank you for liking our YouTube channel. Please, if you know you have never subscribed to our YouTube channel, make sure this time around you subscribe, so that whenever we happen to make up any video, you'll be in part of this OSP platform. Now in the simple terms is that what I'm going to try to say this today is that I've been making for you different videos basing on right from rental management system, hardware management system, schools, hotels, and blah blah things like that. Now there's something special, unique in this system that I'm going to show you today. I know the system, I made it some time back, some few years back. I may just give a sample. If I happen to say I give a user, I say maybe the name, which is OSP, maybe Pro, and then I come back on giving details. You can always leave what you don't want, and then here you can always give what you want. Don't take wine, maybe that. Don't also take that. Black tea, maybe yes, or just going to say no. And then matoke, no. Rice, maybe yes. And then this one, maybe no. This no. This one also no. And this may be yes. That one. So total, which is that. Now remember, even it calculating for us the tax rate. Now this system I made for you guys some time back, and I know this is how it does this stuff. And then this one prints for us the receipt, and when you click there, process it. Now I'm using Windows 10, that's why it's not giving me the chance to do it, to save, but I think it will be somewhere within my application. Now maybe before I finalize the routing of the system, that's how the system is like, and the calculator is working as expected. Now maybe to remind you guys, is that we just try to say maybe if 6 times 3, that's 80, which is that, and I can clear up the screen. This system is on it's an open system. That implies in a simple term, if at all you're interested to come for it, make sure you come and take it. No, it is a system made by OSP, Hotel Management System, and it's a simple system for those guys who are interested in making up system right from what known as Microsoft Word. So this system is made from Microsoft Word. Let me just show you how it is. A sample of this type of system. Just close up this one, so that I tend to show you what I'm trying to talk about. So let me close everything if possible, if it is okay with you. Let me just open up Microsoft Word. I'm just going to be explaining to you guys how I came up with the system, but I'm not going to completely do it. If you're not really interested in this system, make sure you come to OSP Predictor Solution and then learn how to come up with the system. So when you just right click here on the instrument, so make sure you select this developer tool. If you don't have in your machine, then you need to hold Alt with F11 together. So I just really have this. If you know you don't have that, then I advise you to go and watch my previous videos. So there's something that you'll be seeing in your machine this side here. So I'm just going to try it. So when I click on here, you'll be seeing something called Visual Studio. Click there. So when you click Visual Studio, it will take you to this platform. So inside here, just go to one on us insert user form. So insert user form, just drag the form to the size you need. I say maybe that's the size of the form you're taking. And then if I happen just come and say button, just drag my button here. Feel like sleeping now. So just drag the button there. I'm just going to change this button name into one on us OSP Pro, or maybe please subscribe to OSP Pro. Let me just try to copy that, highlight it, and then you can always increase the font size by coming up this size, and you look for font, which is Tahoma. So when I click on font, that's going to rotate a little bit, and then we process our stuff as expected. Now, like I've said to you, now this is how we come up with the system with Microsoft Word. So you can always make it bold and try to make it kind of big if it is okay with you. So if you see 30, that's kind of too big. So I'm just going to drag this side a bit to have something of that type, so that you have something like that. Now you can also even go back here down and turn to the color of your choice. You can go to system colors, you can go to any other color of your choice. Then palette, you can also go to tick palette. If it is that, that's what you want. So this is it. So when I just click on run, it should be in position to get a picture. And this is the button. So my friends, I'm just going to take a lot of time here. I'm just introducing you to what known as Visual Basic Programming with OSP Pro. Now in this video, like I've said to you, we just happen to learn how to start up, just how to start up. But don't forget to subscribe to YouTube channel OSP Pro, to our YouTube channel OSP Pro, so that you always be updated whenever a new video. Now there's no big difference between the system and the one I just showed you recently here, the one for one known as the hotel management system. So you can make up the complete system using one known as Microsoft Word. So are you looking to learn how to program, how to develop a software from Microsoft Word? How about Excel? How about PowerPoint? How about Publisher? How about Access? What don't you start now? Just come to Always Predict Solution, learn how to do the stuffs. So if you're from Uganda, it is a turn for you to know, to come back in, and then you get to know what to do. Then if you've never subscribed, then I advise you to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can always get a chance to do what I've said to you. So guys, I wish you a nice time. Thank you. Love you all.